Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's English class. Today let's discuss one of the grammar topic, articles. Okay, articles. And a and the are the articles. We have to use a and the. These are the articles. Okay, a and the. We use a and the, that is called articles. Then how can we use the articles? Where we have to use the articles? Articles we have to use before a noun. Okay, articles we have to use an article before a noun. So what's a noun? We studied that nouns are naming words. That means names of persons, places, things, animals. So article use before a noun. That means before a name of a person or before a name of a place, before a name of a thing and before a name of animals or birds. Okay, so let's check how and where we have to use these articles. What are the rules we follow? Okay, let's find out. Look at your board. First one, a. We say that a and the correct pronunciation is a. Okay, a is used before a noun begins with a consonant sound. Okay, a is used before a noun. Before, that means munnil. Okay, before a noun with a consonant sound. What is consonant sound? Consonant sound means other letters of the alphabet. That means we have 5 vowels in an English alphabet. Okay, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the main 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. And we use A before a consonant sound. That means other alphabets. So that means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Before these letters or before these sounds, that is called consonant sound, we use A before a consonant sound, or before a noun with a consonant sound we have to use A. Let's check some examples. A bat, a car, a pen. Here bat and the letter B is a consonant sound, and car, the letter C is also a consonant sound, and letter P is also a consonant sound. So we have to use before a noun. So pen, car, bat, these are nouns and before a noun. So before, okay, before a noun with a consonant sound we have to use A. Only the consonant sound we have to use A. Okay, clear? Then check the next one. An. Where we have to use an? Before a noun with a vowel sound. Okay, an is used before a noun with a vowel sound. An is used before a noun with a vowel sound, and 5 vowels are there. That is A, E, I, O, U. Not the letter vowels. Okay, not the vowel letters. Sound. Okay, please remember that the sound of vowels, before the sound of vowels we have to use only an. Okay, let's check. The vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U, and an is used before a noun with a vowel sound, that means and. And is a noun and the letter A is a vowel sound. So we have to use here an. Next one, egg. Egg, E is a consonant sound, vowel sound, and before the noun we have to use an. Igloo. Igloo is also a noun and it's a vowel sound I, and we use an. Here, owl. Owl is a noun and it's also a vowel sound O, and before we use an. Umbrella. Okay, umbrella, and the sound of U. The sound of U, vowel sound U is A, and we use an. And another words begin with the U, but the sound is not A. That words are union, unit, K. That is not the vowel sound. So we have to use that words before A. A, K. That is not a vowel sound. Union, unit. Okay. And also another word, European. European, E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N, European spelling. And the begin letter is E. That is vowel letter but not the vowel sound. So we have to use a European, not an European. Okay. So please remember that in vowel sound, the noun begins with a vowel sound, that only we have to use an. And the nouns begin with a consonant sound, we have to use A. Okay, remembered? Okay, don't forget. Remember that noun starts with a consonant sound, we have to use A, and nouns begins with a vowel sound, we have to use an. Okay, clear? Is that clear? Okay, just check the next one. The article, third one. The is we use in many ways. Okay, so many rules are there to use the. Let's check some rules. Okay, look here and listen here. The first of all, the is used before a noun we have already talked about. Okay, so the is used before a noun. All articles are used before the noun, and here the is used, we have already talked about a thing or a person. We have already talked about a person, or we have already talked about a thing or animal. We have to use the. We have to use the in second time. So let's check one example. I have a pet dog. And we said that I have a pet dog. Okay, I have a pet dog. In first time I said that I have a pet dog. So pet, P. Okay, that is a consonant sound. So we have to use the A. But in second time I said that I have a pet dog. The dog plays with me. So I have a pet dog. In first time we have to use the article A. Okay, clear? And we have already said that I have a pet dog. Then I said that the second time the dogs plays with me. Here the is used in second time, we have to use the. Clear? Okay. And the is again we use name before the names of seas. Before the name of a sea name, and before the name of river, before the name of river, seas, or before the name of oceans, we have to use the. Okay, the is used before the name of a river, oceans, seas. Okay, let's check some examples. The Ganga. Ganga is a river, so the Ganga river. We said that the Ganga river, not a Ganga river, and Ganga river is not correct. And the correct article is the Ganga, the Yamuna. Okay, clear? And the is used another in famous buildings names. In famous buildings names, that means Taj Mahal, Red Fort, okay, Qutub Minar. In these places, we have to use the. Okay, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, okay. And next, name of things. Name of things. In the name of things that are only one of their kind. Only one of their kind. The things are only one of their kind. In that cases, we also use the. That means only one. Okay, the earth, the sun, the moon. These are only one. Do you see the many moon or many sun? Did you see that? No. So that is only one. The earth, the sky, the moon, okay, the sun. Okay, so the is used in many ways.